The cancer-resistant giants, decoding the blue whale's enigmatic defense. In the vast expanse of the world's oceans, blue whales reign as the largest creatures on Earth. While their immense size and gentle nature have long fascinated researchers, a recent revelation has sparked new intrigue: the apparent resistance of blue whales to cancer. This phenomenon has opened a gateway to understanding nature's own defense mechanisms against one of humanity's most formidable foes. At the heart of the mystery lies the blue whale's astonishingly efficient DNA repair machinery. As cells in an organism replicate, errors and mutations naturally occur. However, the blue whale has evolved an intricate and highly effective system for repairing damaged DNA, preventing the accumulation of mutations that could lead to cancer. This exceptional repair mechanism is believed to contribute significantly to the whale's apparent resilience to cancer, making it a subject of intense scientific scrutiny. Researchers have identified specific genes associated with DNA repair in blue whales, highlighting unique adaptations that distinguish them from other species. These genes play a crucial role in maintaining genomic stability, acting as vigilant guardians against the initiation and progression of cancerous cells. The discovery of these specialized genes has paved the way for innovative research in genetic medicine, offering insights that may contribute to cancer prevention and treatment in humans. Interestingly, the blue whale's longevity may also play a role in its resistance to cancer. These majestic creatures boast lifespans of up to 90 years or more, and their cells undergo fewer divisions throughout their lives compared to smaller animals with shorter lifespans. This reduced frequency of cell division minimizes the opportunities for errors to occur during the replication process, further reducing the risk of cancer development. The unique lifestyle of blue whales contributes to their cancer resistance as well. Blue whales are filter feeders, consuming vast quantities of small marine organisms called krill. Unlike many other marine species, they are not exposed to potential carcinogens found in larger prey with longer lifespans, reducing the likelihood of encountering cancer-inducing agents. This dietary distinction offers a fascinating perspective on the interconnectedness of an organism's environment and its susceptibility to cancer. Beyond the biological factors, blue whales exhibit fascinating behaviors that may contribute to their cancer resistance. The rhythmic, low-frequency vocalizations they produce, known as whale songs, have been found to induce a state of cellular stress in potential cancer cells. This unique aspect of their communication repertoire may serve as an additional layer of defense, disrupting the growth and progression of abnormal cells within their colossal bodies. The blue whale's remarkable resistance to cancer invites a broader exploration of the intricate relationship between genetics, environment, and lifestyle in cancer prevention. The insights gained from studying these oceanic giants could potentially inform medical advancements, offering inspiration for innovative approaches to cancer research and treatment in humans. In conclusion, the blue whale's enigmatic defense against cancer unravels as a multifaceted marvel of nature. From specialized DNA repair genes and extended lifespans to dietary habits and unique communication behaviors, these majestic creatures offer a treasure trove of insights into the intricate dance between biology and cancer prevention. As scientists delve deeper into the secrets of the ocean's gentle giants, the potential to unlock new avenues in our own battle against cancer unfolds, showcasing the boundless wonders that nature holds for scientific discovery.